Ay kabahay, itong property sa likod ko is available and ready for occupancy. So kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng property here in Imus, Cavite, this is located lamang here in Anabu, Imus, Cavite, along Aguinaldo Highway. It has a lot area of 150 square meters and floor area of 197.5 square meters. So this is a single attached unit, complete finished turnover, and ready for occupancy. Tara, check natin ang ating property. Before we enter mga kabahay sa ating featured property, as you can see ang ating facade, very minimalist pa rin ito and modern. Ito po ang ating carport area. Meron na itong included na fence and gate sa ating turnover. Kaya nito mag-accommodate ng dalawang sasakyan. Meron tayo ditong address na made of concrete and doorbell. So meron na tayo ditong porch area. Tara, check natin ang ating property. Tara kabahay, pasok tayo dito sa ating porch area. So dito sa porch area, meron tayong dalawang pocket gardens on both sides. Ang ating flooring is made of tiles but it is a non-skid. So safe na safe ito kahit sa mga elders natin. So move tayo dito sa ating carport area. Dito sa carport area natin, meron tayo ditong pebble type na flooring and then naka-half size covered ang ating roofing. So covered po ang inyong mga sasakyan. So ito naman ay spacious pa rin. Kasyang-kasya dito ang SUV size na sasakyan. Check natin mga kabayan ating setback area. So dito sa setback area natin, meron tayong 2 to 3 meters wide na space. As you can see, naka-pebbles pa rin ang ating flooring. On this naman is the 700 liters Inca water tank which is free upon turnover. Meron tayo ditong provision for your automatic washing machine and this is the service door access to your kitchen area. May lavatory tayo dito on the side and on this area naman is the access going to your lanay area. So dito sa lanay area mga kabahay, meron tayong sliding door access papunta sa ating dining and living room. So we are now here at the living area mga kabahay. So as you can see, meron tayo dito ang circuit breaker. Ito ang ating main door and then this one naman is the actual size of the living area. So may accent tayo dito na wall cladding sa ating living area and naka 60 by 60 tiles po tayo dito sa ating flooring. On this side naman mga kabahay is the provision for your dining area. Ito yung access natin papunta sa lanay area and this one naman is the kitchen area. So we're now here at the kitchen area. So as you can see, ito po ang ating access door papunta sa ating service area. Ito naman ang ating kitchen sink and ang ating kitchen countertop. Meron tayo ditong built-in cabinets over and under. Ito po ang provision for your gas range. And upon turnover, syempre included din po itong ating pull-out na storage area. So dito sa ating ground floor mga kabahay ay meron tayong isang bedroom. It can fit a single-size bed or double deck. Pwede itong room for your elders or maids room. Meron tayo ditong awning window, built-in cabinet, and of course may access tayo papunta sa ating common toilet and bath. Before we check the second floor mga kabahay, ito po ang ating window na mayroong view ng ating parking. And then on this area naman, meron tayong space na pwedeng gawing as storage area. And then this is the access papunta sa ating common toilet and bath. Tara, check natin ang second floor. So ang ating staircase mga kabahay is made of concrete and solid wood. And then meron tayo ditong steel railings. Meron tayo ditong awning window for natural lighting and proper ventilation. So for the second floor mga kabahay, we have a total of 3 bedrooms. So this is the bedroom number 1. Tara check natin inside. So the bedroom number 1, it can accommodate a single size bed. So as you can see, meron tayo ditong provision for aircon. Meron tayo ditong sliding window. May vanity area and the built-in cabinet which is floor to ceiling. Bedroom number 2. So sa bedroom number 2 mga kabahay, same as bedroom number 1, kasya dito ang single size bed. Meron tayo ditong awning window and provision for window type aircon. May vanity area. And may access tayo papunta sa ating shared toilet and bath with the bedroom number 1. Let's check the master's bedroom. So upon entering mga kabahay, meron tayong access dito papunta sa ating master's toilet and bath. Complete fixtures ito upon turnover with shower enclosure, lavatory, toilet seat, and a bathtub. So dito sa master's bedroom mga kabahay, meron tayong built-in cabinets na included upon turnover, floor to ceiling din to, and ang kaibahan nito sa ating bedroom 1 and 2, mas marami itong kayang i-accommodate. Meron tayo ditong vanity area. Ito naman ang ating access papunta sa ating balcony area. On this area naman mga kabahay would be your bed. So ito po ay kasya at kaya mag-accommodate up to double size bed. Meron tayo ditong sliding window and this one is a fixed window for natural lighting. Let's check the balcony area mga kabahay. So dito sa balcony area, makikita nyo malakas ang hangin. So kapag nakabukas ang inyong sliding door, maganda ang inyong ventilation. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng coffee table on the side. Nagustuhan mo ba ang ating featured property for today mga kabahay? Kung ikaw ay interested to view this property or reserve this property, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. Again, this is Juan Tapawan of Exusio Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching.